There are a lot of aftermarket performance parts options out there, but only a few that are designed, engineered, and tested by Chevrolet. Today, I want to give you an overview of the ZZ454-440 so that you can make better decisions. Our engineers took the tough 454 HO and matched it with a set of higher flow, oval port aluminum cylinder heads to pick up an additional 30 horses, while still delivering an awesome 519 pound-feet of torque. It's an affordable high-performance big block for your project vehicle. Aluminum oval port cylinder heads with 2.19-inch intake, 1.88-inch exhaust valves process the airflow through this big power, big block and save weight over the iron heads. They're mounted on our latest generation block casting with 4-bolt main caps, which is filled with an all-forged rotating assembly for exceptional strength and durability. There's also a high-lift hydraulic roller camshaft for excellent drivability and a broad performance range. The ZZ454-440 crate engine package includes a water pump, balancer, aluminum intake manifold, and a 14-inch flex plate. Your Chevrolet Performance dealer can hook you up with the carburetor, starter, ignition system, and other accessories required to get this big power big block up and running. I hope this quick look at the ZZ454-440 helped you learn a little bit more about how it might be the perfect fit for your project. If you're ready to get started today, please visit your local Chevrolet Performance dealer or learn more online at chevrolet.com/performance.